Okay, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Velez here, and today I'm going to show you how to put your video sync with the NoteFlight video also. So normally, if you have, I have one video here that I'm going to put with, let me play it first. Let me make it smaller. So here, this is how it look when you sync your video with your NoteFlight score, and you go and sync it, and you can drag your video and put a smaller, bigger, and you have this together. That's first step. So if you want your score in your video, like I am doing, then you have to screen record your notes, and you can do it in page view, and but then your video has to be smaller because this is gonna be big. Or I think I found another better example, but try both to see what is best. My next one is this one. This one I try strip view, and then I record my video. See? So I have to put it forward. So once I have that recorded, I have DaVinci Resolve, which is free, but you need a good computer because this program is big in, you know, getting CPU resources, or use iMovie or something free for Windows. Also Filmora, I think is, yeah, Filmora is free, and find something that you can work. And then here I have my audio and my video, but I put my notes here. So let me mute that to show you the process. Let's start with the first one that I show you. So here you just drag and drop. Here I have this one, which is like that, and if I want my video to be somewhere, then I have to edit this, like double click, and in DaVinci Resolve I can go here and then go to transformation cropping, and then I can adjust what I need to cut from the video. See, I can cut like that, and then place it in one place, and then put my video here. But then I have to go and sync with the original, so I have to move it. Okay, I have to make sure the audio is selected with the video. Yeah, now when I move this, I have to go here. Let's make it bigger. Then I have to align my sound. See, so I have to cut this and then cut the audio. Have to be careful with that. But I'm selecting everything. I have to make sure I only select my audio and my video there, and then keep matching. See the audio, make it bigger and match that, and then put your video. Then you have to select your video and put it smaller and something like that. But the one that I'm gonna show you, the other one, so let's delete that. Okay, so delete it. Let's bring the other one. which is this one, which is the one that I did with the strip view, this format, because then this gonna be like that. So then I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna select it and make it in another audio track, and the video in a video track. Once I have it, I have to select it, red, and move it, and then make this bigger, and see how to cut that. So the best thing will be cutting in the beginning and then bringing that there. So let me mute the original, so it's not there. No, okay. So in top, and then what I did, I selected, see, and I started like the cropping. Find your cropping tool, and then crop that, crop the bottom, and then move it around in your video. Has to be on top. See, this one, my original video is in track 1, and my secondary video is on top. Right now it's in video 3, but you can make more tracks, see, more video tracks, and I add here, I put the market like text. This is text A. See, if I mute that, and I have a countdown number that I put there, so you can mess around with that. And this is how I am moving and putting this together. See? So let's mute it and let's put the original. So you have to sync the video with the audio, with your original video audio, which is mine is this one, with the audio from the video you recorded from the taking a screenshot. So let me play it. I know. Okay, let me play the original. This one is the original. This is how it looked then when the finished product. Very helpful, and just in your level, make sure you are there in -5, around -4. Don't go in all the way to the red, because then it's going to be distorted. So you have to make sure when you're recording your audio that is not above, or it's going to be distorted. So I hope this was helpful. Leave me some comment, smash the like, subscribe if you're not ready for more tutorial like this. Jose Velez here. See you next time. Bye.